So I'm trying to work on having those set up, and I'll be out of a job for a little bit. So gotta have something rolling in the money. Hence the reason why I have most of my stuff I got from Amazon. I gotta do all these reviews, put them out there. Gotta make some money. So yeah, that's what I'll be doing. And the detailing business, yes, it's still here. But in the winter, the business slows down a bit because it's seasonal. Not everyone wants to detail their cars in the winter. So yeah, I'm just trying to work on some things over here. But yeah. Do you have post schedule for the rest of December? I think we have like about 15 to 18 minutes left. I did not set the time. I'm just winging it at this point. You know what I mean? Yeah. I'm gonna sweeten this with condensed milk, sugar. Let me put them right here. So I have everything all prepared. Your appointment? Oh shucks, my appointment is 11:30. I'm gonna be late. I'm gonna have to go later because I'm not sure why I was thinking that it was at 12. But I should not even have been in the kitchen this late. Collab video, awesome. I'm straying away from the whole long form having to edit because baby's busy, which he does my editing, and I'm busy. I can't do it. So that's why I've been doing live and trying to get highlights and all the good stuff because I'm just like, I'm not able. I'm not able to do the whole editing. And I do also find that I have more views on my live than I actually get on posting a regular video. And it takes so much to actually edit and upload. So I've been staying away from that. Okay, just got some highlights there. Not really. Awesome. I don't know how it is to go live when delivering, but I've been I've been told that I should go live having baby. I don't know if that's a good thing or what, but I've been looking at some. Babe, I saw the message. I know it's at 11:30. I'm not gonna make it for 11:30. I have like 7 minutes to go before that time. So, are you hearing me? I I may be delayed, but yes, I heard you when I saw your message saying that it's for 11:30, but I won't make it. I have 7 minutes. I'm not gonna make it because this porridge is still being cooked. So I'm gonna be running a little bit late. As soon as it's done, I'm not gonna have it. I'm just going to go get dressed. Well, yeah, and just head there, change my clothes and head there. But yeah, I'm not gonna make it for 11:30. If you wanna call them for me and let them know that I won't make it. Um, I don't know if they want both of us to just come in after you're done over there. You can see if that works for them, then we could do that. How about you do that, babe, and let me know before you start that job? Hopefully, you're hearing me. Okay, I'm waiting for your response.